Welcome to the ultimate drag race showdown. Today, 4 incredible machines are about to battle for supremacy. The 1,300 horsepower BMW M140i, the Koenigsegg Jesko, the Bugatti Chiron, and the Lamborghini Huracán. Power, speed, and engineering excellence come together on one track. Let's see who takes the crown. First up is the BMW M140i. Don't let its compact size fool you. With a massive 1,300 horsepower under the hood, this modified beast has enough power to challenge the world's most expensive hypercars. Next is the Koenigsegg Jesko. Built for extreme performance, this Swedish hypercar combines advanced aerodynamics with a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine capable of incredible acceleration. Then we have the Bugatti Chiron. Powered by a legendary quad-turbo W16 engine, the Chiron delivers breathtaking speed, luxury, and engineering excellence unlike anything else on the road. And finally, the Lamborghini Huracán. Its naturally aspirated V10 engine produces an unforgettable sound while delivering lightning-fast performance and razor-sharp handling. Inside the cockpits, drivers prepare for launch. The BMW's speed climbs rapidly. The Huracan's V10 roars through the gears. The Chiron speedometer races toward 400 kilometers per hour, while the Jesko pushes even harder, showing why it's one of the fastest hypercars ever built. The lights turn green and the race begins. All 4 cars launch with explosive acceleration. The BMW surprises everyone with its incredible power. The Huracán fights aggressively, while the Chiron and Jesko battle for the lead at astonishing speeds. The finish line approaches, and every fraction of a second matters. And across the line they go. What an incredible race between 4 amazing machines. Which car is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic car content.